Today we're unboxing the Casio G-Shock White Origami. We start with the box. The packaging is made of cardboard and features an origami-style design. Opening the box, inside we find the watch. Underneath the watch are the booklets, including the International 3-year warranty and the module 3529 instruction manual. Now let's take a look at the watch itself. The entire design follows the origami theme, visible through the dotted fold lines across the case and strap. The case measures 53.2 millimeters in length, 50 millimeters in width, with a thickness of 18.7 millimeters. The lug width measures 16 millimeters. Turning the watch around, on the case back, we see an engraved origami bird. Next, we'll go through the modes. The default screen shows the time and date. The next mode is the alarm. After that, the countdown timer. And finally, the stopwatch. To finish, this is how the watch looks on my wrist. I think it looks really cool and unique. At the price point of $150, this watch is a no-brainer for watch enthusiasts.
Hi guys, thank you for watching. If you would like to purchase this watch, use the link down below. Also, don't forget your 20K code for your 10% off.